It's my proud pleasure to thank Speak Media Organization Bijapur for bringing various artists to the school. I thank the artists Sri Vidwan Alguris DJ R. Krishnan sir and his co-artist Sri Tumkur B. Ravishankar sir who played Mridangam, Sri P.S. Sridhar sir who played Gadam for presenting a great melodious show which entertained all of us. I thank Principal Colonel R. Rajan sir and Headmaster Colonel Siraj Singh sir for bringing this Speak Media program to us. My special thanks are to our blood English teacher B. Vijay Kumar sir, our music teacher Sri Jadhav sir, and our art and craft teacher Mrs. Dr. Shashikala and Mugar madam for organizing